A St. Catherine father is this evening desperately seeking the public's help to find his 14-year-old daughter. Carrie-Ann Simpson has their story.
A distraught Denzel Burke has not eaten or slept in days. The single father has been watching the clock for the safe return of his 14-year-old daughter, who left home over a week ago for a school event but has not returned home.
Out of the Cayman has told, I drop her, and I drop her out there with the next lady. Two of them I drop off. And the lady take bus and gone for her business, but I don't know where she load Kate back.
It's not known if Petrana made it to school. Her father said this is the first time something like this has happened.
She stay out still and come in late, but a counselor and I tell her that the late thing not ready out there for you. Just keep yourself humble, you know. I always tell her about it.
And the community of Glades, located in Whitemore, St. Catherine, is in shock.
This man is a real father. This man is a real father. This man example me follow and take care of my two daughters. So I don't see a reason why Petrana do something like this. I don't know if somebody hold her against her will, but I tell her, Petrana, anywhere there, come home back to your father.
We grieve everybody, man, in the community. We grieve everybody in the community, sir.
In the meantime, this appeal for her safe return.
You're a little girl where keep in. You're not gonna where you stay in, so what is the problem? We can talk about it. Just come home.
She can't contact anyone and we just make we know that you're living, girl. Please, I'm begging you. Just make we know that you're living.
The police are investigating. Persons with information are reminded to call 119 or the nearest police station. Carrie-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.